In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your default Google Drive account. If you use multiple Google accounts, you've probably noticed that Google always picks one as the default. That default account is the one that opens first in Google Drive, Gmail, and other Google services. Sometimes, though, it's not the account you actually want to use most. Maybe your work account keeps opening instead of your personal one, or the other way around. The good news is, you can change that default in just a few minutes. To get started, open any Google service in your web browser. Google Drive or Gmail works perfectly for this. For example, you can type drive.google.com or gmail.com into your address bar and press Enter. Make sure you're doing this on a computer because these steps work best on desktop browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Once the page loads and you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture or an icon with your initial. Click on that. This will open a small menu that shows all the Google accounts currently signed in on your browser. In that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Sign out of all accounts and click it. This is important. Google doesn't let you change the default just by switching accounts. You actually have to sign out of every account first, so they all start from a clean slate. After you've signed out, you'll be taken to a sign-in page. Now, this next part is the key to changing your default. Sign in first with the account that you want to become your new default. Enter that account's email and password and complete any verification steps if Google asks. The first account you log into after signing out becomes your new default across Google services. Once you're signed into that main account, you can add your other accounts back. Go again to the top right corner, click on your profile picture, and this time choose Add Account. A sign-in window will appear. Log into your next Google account and repeat this for any additional accounts you use. From now on, whenever you open Google Drive, Gmail, or most other Google services in that browser, the account you signed in with first will be treated as your default, and your other accounts will be available to switch to whenever you need them.